Hey guys, Jomar African here and I'm with Miss Crane, Sayas, and Mark Balmikil, Sayas. And we're gonna do the times.
Time trial with the flow. 1 minute from 10 sold.
Go, go, go. I'm the champion of this.
Here we go. 32 best and 4. Sold lang na 4. So, di siya abot 27, 26, 25, and above. By the 20 seconds.
On the 10 seconds.
Hurry on the
On the 5 seconds. Oh,
Wow.
time is up.
Time's up. This will
Seven.
be a sold 7. Wait lang.
Man.
Ako na po. I'm ready.
Set.
Wait
Go.
lang. Ready, set, go.
Go. What can I do? Look. Wait, guys. Go. Sobrang dali Sobrang dali ng bili. I wonder when they get me with that juicer. Tumanag to. Charge na ito. Nagdalo lang yung charger. 7 sold ba? And 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And time's up.
Okay, here we go.
Hey guys,
I'm
subscribe to the...
Oh my god, kahit siya nag-close because the low battery, pero 8 times na ako.
And guys, subscribe to Iron Boys because this is challenging. Okay, 4 hours. We're gonna stay here for 4 hours.
Ready, set,
Go.
siya si Mikhail Sayas, may pamangkin.
Ay, pamangkin.
I think hindi na siya mananalo.
Pinulong mo talaga?
Huwag naman hard touch.
Wag naman. Make wag hard cut.
This will be a triple check back. Too late. In the walk down, I will be your shoulder. One call away, I'll be there to save
Babayin mo.
that day. Superman, gotta know there's no way. I'm only one call away. Time is up. So, ang pinakamababa po ay si Mikhail, sumunod ay si Jomel, at ako ang pinakamataas.
Game.
Go!
Say
So,
again.
bye!
Bye!